Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have XRP update. Let's see what it will do. And of course, guys, yesterday I told you that XRP outperforms Bitcoin and we are about to make a bullish, very bullish cross on XRP against Bitcoin in the weekly frame. Let's see now. The support levels and the resistance levels have been broken. We are now heading towards the 1.77. That will tell you exactly a price prediction for XRP. So things are looking very, very good, guys. Let's see, the 1.55 is now becoming a support level, as well as many other support level, resistance levels like these guys, for example, and of course many more. 1.60 for the Fibonacci retracement, 0.786 Fibonacci retracement is now becoming a support level as well, guys. The 1.64 USDT. Now we are heading towards the 1.77. And of course, right now for the MACD, we are going upwards, making higher highs, higher lows. Eventually, if we break these resistance level, we will be going towards new higher highs. That's what we want to see on the 4-hour frame on the MACD for XRP, new higher highs, new higher lows. So let's go to XRP against USDT. For the commodity channel index, we are going now above 100. You can see here, we are in an overbought situation there, but of course, guys, this is only for the very short term because I think that this is a start of some new higher lows here, and of course it will go upwards for XRP against USD in the 4-hour frame. For the RSI, we are still inside 30 and 70, not an overbought, not any oversold situation. We want to break those two resistance levels, guys, those two resistance levels in order to go upwards and of course go above the 70 for XRP. Now it's looking good. It looks like big bullish candle formed in the 4-hour frame. Let's see now the Bollinger bands in the daily frame. This is what I want. If we see this cross for XRP against USD in the daily frame, we are absolutely good to set ourselves upwards to go even higher, guys. This is insane. And of course, right now we are approaching the top line of the Bollinger band, and for the commodity channel index on the daily frame, we are above 100. But look how so much room we have in order to grow even more. So we are not in an overbought situation. Even though we are above 100, we still have much room to grow because the RSI, guys, is between 30 and 70 for the daily frame. Also for XRP, let's go to XRP against Bitcoin. This is what I wanted to tell you, guys. This parabolic pattern here that XRP outperforms Bitcoin, making higher highs and higher lows. Even for the 4-hour frame, guys, we are making higher highs and higher lows. You can see here on XRP against Bitcoin that we are going upwards, making new higher lows for RSI, new higher lows for the commodity channel index as well, guys. So we are going upwards. That's what we wanted. Big bullish candle on the 4-hour frame, and of course XRP against Bitcoin in the daily frame. We are approaching the 0.04042 to 43. Okay, around there, guys. And right now, if I go to the weekly frame, you will see how parabolic we are, and of course the bullish cross I talk about for XRP in the 20-day EMA crosses the 50-day EMA. If it happens on the weekly frame, then we are going upwards. We have so much room to grow, guys, so much room to grow till of course 4.236, but of course we can go even higher. We have like 500% room or more to grow. Let's see how much room. For example, from here, guys, if I take the whole of this, yeah, 440%, actually 6x for XRP against Bitcoin, guys. So of course XRP against USDT, now we are going towards new levels. The next short-term price target for XRP is the 1.77, but of course we are going to go above that. And I think the next targets are 1.90, 1.98 and 2.12. These are on 1.618, 1.38 to 1.236 Fibonacci retracement levels. So these are our targets. These areas are target for XRP. First 1.90, then we will see if we correct a little bit or we go upwards all the way to 1.98 and 2.12 USDT. These are the price targets. You can see here Bitcoin, from the time it moved a little bit upwards, XRP, because it outperformed Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame, on the daily frame, everywhere, you can see that XRP just moved upwards totally more than Bitcoin because it outperforms Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up 5%, then XRP, it was about time to go like 10% or more upwards. That's what it means to outperform Bitcoin. For example, if Bitcoin corrects 5%, then the other altcoin will correct 3%. If Bitcoin goes upwards 5%, the altcoin will go up 10%. And the XRP is destroying now Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame, in the short term and on the mid-term, guys. And that's why this is the reason why we are going upwards so much, because look at this on the daily frame, we are above the 50-day EMA. Even if Bitcoin just corrects here, goes a little bit upwards and corrects even more, XRP won't bother much, because it might correct a little bit, but it won't correct as much as Bitcoin. And then when Bitcoin goes upwards, it will continue to go upwards as well. So XRP has gone parabolic against Bitcoin. This is why we care for, this is what we care for. And of course, XRP right now broke the 1.64 USDT. It is clearly above. It might find just a very small resistance, guys, for just a very short term, but for the next few hours, but it will go upwards, going up to 1.90, firstly 1.98 and 2.12 USDT for our short-term price prediction, because you know, guys, I always want to be on point and be honest with you. But what if Bitcoin falls? If Bitcoin falls more, then XRP might correct a little bit, but it won't correct as much as Bitcoin, so we don't care. It is like Matic, guys, that it had its correction when Bitcoin dipped down so much, but Matic didn't even care, and of course it had its correction. Therefore, in the next day it went like 20% upwards, while Bitcoin went just like 10% or so. I'm not sure, like, let's see how much it went, like 7% upwards, guys, around there, and Matic went 20%. That's what it means to outperform Bitcoin. And those altcoins that outperform Bitcoin, those are the ones that will grow upwards in the USDT valuations. Those altcoins that don't outperform Bitcoin, and therefore they are downward situation, in downfall against Bitcoin, those are the altcoins that will have them the much dip. Okay, so right now XRP is looking good. Our next targets are the 1.90, 30, 98 and 2.12, even if Bitcoin against USD falls down, because guys, we saw this bearish signal for 50-day MA to 20-day MA. The 20-day MA, the yellow line went beyond the red line from like September. Okay, I always saw that in my videos from like September. We had to see this, so we might as well for Bitcoin see some lower, higher lows, and eventually the altcoins that outperform Bitcoin will be the ones that will go upwards. The altcoins that don't outperform Bitcoin will be the ones that will go deep down. But if Bitcoin manages to have a turning point and go upwards all the way, I don't know, guys, I'm not so sure, but due to the technical analysis, I think we will be having lower highs and lower lows. But eventually, if it's turned to go upwards, then you can understand that the other altcoins that outperform Bitcoin, like XRP, like Matic, like ADA, will just go much above, like Aave. Okay, so right now what we are seeing with XRP is the same. The next targets are the 1.90, 1.98, 2.12. Even if for the short term we have a little bit of correction, do not worry, do not panic at all, guys. We are going upwards because we have all the signs that we need to be going upwards. The weekly bullish cross here that we will form, for example, right here, and of course XRP against in the daily frame, XRP against Bitcoin in the daily frame, XRP against Bitcoin in the 4-hour frame. Everywhere we are outperforming. XRP outperforms Bitcoin. Okay, so right now we will be going upwards. We will be making 1.64 as our support level right now. So I think I need to color this with the support label. And of course, right now, after we break this resistance level at 1.76, then 1.90, 1.98 and 2.12 will be our next price targets for XRP. And of course, guys, always remember to have a buying strategy and an exit strategy. It is very important not to be greedy and wait, guys, wait for it, and always have an exit strategy. Patience is the key for success. I'm always telling that in my videos that we need patience, guys. Without patience, we can't do anything. So for now, we are, for those who bought here, guys, of course you shouldn't worry about it, because even if we correct it for quite some time right now, from 6th May till now we are going upwards. Okay, now we are going upwards. Our next targets are 1.98, and those who told you that XRP will fall down even more, would correct even more, is because they didn't even check the XRP against Bitcoin chart. That's why it is so important to check XRP against Bitcoin, guys, because if you check an altcoin against Bitcoin, then you know the dollar valuation of this coin, because Bitcoin is underperforming. So when the altcoin needs to outperform Bitcoin in the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so right now, those who told you that XRP will go down to 1 USDT or maybe even lower are the ones that didn't even check where are we for XRP against Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. If you like the content, please help me with clicking the like button, subscribing, hitting the bell button and share. Thank you again. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.